a haircut.
Haribol. Oh, Mukund, look at you. Okay, so you know what? What's special today? Do you know what's special today?
No. I know today was a special day. I forgot what it's called.
What is it called?
First day of
February? Okay,
first day of
first day of
February.
February. Okay.
Yeah, first day of February. There's also there's like I forgot the name. Wait.
Of? What is it?
The first day of I remember the
Okay, it's
beginning.
Sri Ramachandra Kaviraj disappearance day. It is Srila Gopal Bhatta Goswami appearance day. This is the special about this day with respect to our Gaudiya Sampradaya. But with our Govinda group, we are starting with the revision. And when revision comes, what follows with the revision?
Test. Yes.
Test, exam.
Kahoot. I hope.
How many of you are interested for the exam?
Me,
Looking forward to the
Mataji. So,
Sorry?
me, Mataji.
Very good. So what we are going to do today is we are going to do revision, okay? And you remember for the Damodar Leela, we continued from one class, it went to number 36. So many classes revisions are also there, right? But then the story is short, but then there were so many stories which were added onto it, right? In every class, the teachers told you so many stories. So we are going to have a revision of whatever we have learned. Okay. So what I will do is now I will first, okay. So quickly, first I will have the PDF open so that we can, okay. Let me see if this is the PDF. Okay, I don't know whether this is the PDF which, yes, okay, this is the PDF which you're looking at. Okay, so what we are going to do is first we'll start with our prayers. Everybody together. Om
ज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै गुरवे नमः श्रीचैतन्यमहाविष्णुं येन भूतले स्वयं रूप कदा मह्यं ददाभिष्टपदान्तिकम्
Vandeham
श्रीगुरुपदकमलं श्रीगुरुं वैष्णवांश्च
Vaishnavamsya
श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगणरघुनाथां तं सजीवं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं देवं राधाकृष्णपादान् श्रीकृष्ण करुणा सिंधु
बंधु जगतपते गोपेश गोपिकांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते
गौरंगी
राधे
देवी प्रणमामि
जय
जय
श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री राधा रघुनाथ गौर भक्त
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे
हरे हरे
हरे राम राम हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा हरे 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 राम
Hare Krishna. Okay, so we did it a little bit different today. We did the whole prayers, right? It's nice we can do the whole prayers also.
The entire Mangalacharna.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
entire Mangalacharna.
I learned it.
Okay, what do you see now?
Krishna's transcendental
Krishna's
Oh, you see
transcendental
that, right?
qualities.
Okay. So, okay. So now Krishna, see the very first, what did we start with? We will do that, okay? When how we start. Balram, you have some question?
Yes, Mata, yesterday was my half birthday.
Who had birthday yesterday?
Me, Mata, it was my half birthday.
Your half birthday. Okay. And when would be your full birthday be?
Oh, Mataji, that will be on July 31st.
July 31st. Oh, so you're remembering your half birthday as well. So sweet of you. You love birthdays?
Yes, Mataji, my mom is gonna make a cake to me.
Ah, you are lucky. So nice. So wish you a very happy half birthday, Balram.
Thank you, Mataji.
Okay, so what we have done so far is, before going to the question answers, I'm going to quickly go with the revision part, what we are going to do. So we saw Krishna's transcendental qualities. You do not need to remember all these qualities, because in the following weeks, we are going to do these all qualities in detail. Okay, so for this exam, you do not need to remember each and everything. But we saw that Krishna has so many 64 transcendental qualities, right? You can just remember the number. So how many qualities does Krishna have?
64.
64.
For transcendental qualities.
64.
Yes. So now what did we also see was that we doing the Damodar Leela. So what is the Damodar Leela basically about? You can raise hands and answer.
What was the question, Mataji?
What is the Damodar Leela basically about? Damodar Leela is?
Oh, we were raising our hands, so okay.
Okay, okay, yeah. Okay, raising hands is
Mataji.
yes. Yeah, so Mukund, Ramachandra, anybody can answer, because when it's a revision, you can just answer now.
He is beautiful. He's beautiful.
It
It is
is
all about him reciprocating with his devotees.
Okay, so which is
And
about reciprocity.
and seeing the love.
He's controlled by Radharani. About
Controlled.
reciprocating
Yeah,
love.
so yeah, the love between Mother Yashoda and Krishna, right? And also it is about what it is, the Damodar. That means, what was the exact word? What does it tell us? Okay,
Rope.
someone not
That
mute.
means
Can you
road
mute
and
yourself?
motor
Love means
means
rope
the
and
motor.
the more.
Okay, Krishna being tied to the mortar. Krishna being tying to the mortar with the, with what?
With the rope.
A rope.
Love, with the
The,
love of Mother Yashoda.
yes, with the rope.
Udara means stomach and dam means tied.
Yes. So, and what the story, when we started that it starts as Ekada. What does Ekada mean? Once upon a time. Okay.
Time.
Sarvada is all times, and Kada means at which time. So Ekada is once upon a time. This is how the story started. There were many examples which were given over here. And so Krishna was 3 months and 3 years and 4 months old, right? And what did we also see was that Krishna, what did Mother Yashoda want to do for Krishna? What was Mother Yashoda wanting to do for Krishna?
To cook milk.
Cook to give him butter.
To give him butter, right? She wanted to give him butter. And why did she want to give him butter?
Because of the love.
Because of the love. What
Want
else?
Krishna to
Because he loves butter.
because
Oh, he
because
wanted
she
to stop from
because
going
she
to other
thought
houses?
her maids aren't making that good butter, so Krishna has to go and steal from other people's houses.
Yeah.
So if I make it by myself, it'll be very
And
nice,
he
so
will,
Krishna
he'll
won't
stay
have to
here
steal.
and he'll think that this butter better and he will not go there.
Yes. So Mother Yashoda had so much of love for Krishna that she wanted to make the butter by herself, right? And the reason for making the butter by herself was because she thought that Krishna was going and stealing butter, right? How many, everybody came, and what they were saying to Mother Yashoda? That your son comes and
Steals butter from our house.
steals butter from our house.
Stealing
Right.
butter.
Okay, see over here. Dam means rope and Udara means stomach. So remember these important things which we are learning, okay? I did not want to get these PDFs, but it will be good so that you can get a glimpse of everything, and then we can go ahead. So Mother Yashoda, so did she wake up in the morning or did she wake up in the evening to make butter for him?
Morning.
Morning.
Morning. And what
Early
was
morning.
Krishna was Krishna doing when Mother Yashoda woke up?
Sleeping?
He was sleeping, right? He was sleeping nicely. And then Mother Yashoda woke up. And what did Mother Yashoda go to do? What was she going for?
Churning butter.
Butter. What was the specialty of that day? What was that day?
Deepavali.
It was Deepavali, right? The Amavasya of Deepavali.
Deepavali.
Yes. Everybody is everybody, anybody is having any problem in this? We are just going with the revision quickly, and then we will again go with the questions. So don't worry, we are not just going haphazardly, okay? So Mother Yashoda had so much of love that she wanted to make the butter herself, okay? And it was a Deepavali day, and that is the reason all the maid servants were busy with doing different types of things, okay? And therefore, Mother Yashoda thought that she's going to make the butter herself, okay? So Mother Yashoda is also explained as Ashraya or shelter of Prema. What is she explained as? Shelter of Prema. Okay, what does that mean? Ashraya in Sanskrit word means refuge, base, or shelter. Okay, so Mother Yashoda is the shelter of Prema for Krishna because Krishna is a baby, right? In this pastime, so she is a shelter of Prema, and Krishna is the. Can you read? Somebody read this.
Mother Yashoda, the shelter
Mother
of Prema.
Yashoda, the shelter
Krishna is the object of Prema.
Object of Prema.
Okay.
Object of Prema.
Yeah, so Mother Yashoda is the shelter of Prema and Krishna is the object of Prema. So that means Krishna is the center of that Prema, right? And Mother Yashoda is the one who is showering all her love on him. And also Mother Yashoda is explained as the epitome of parental loving relationship. Right? She is showing all her rasa. She was angry on him. She was so loving to him. She was so caring to him. And she had her life only on Krishna. She had nothing else to do. Right? So it is Mother Yashoda as the epitome of parental loving relationship. Another important point is what? Mother Yashoda, see now this pastime is all throughout known because of the love which Mother Yashoda gave, right? So the name is also in such a way where it can be divided and there has meanings to it. So Yash and Oda, like Yashoda. So Yash means, can some anybody read? Everybody can read. Yash means
Fame.
okay,
And
and Da
giver
means
is giver.
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 The
Okay?
one who gives
So,
fame.
yeah, the one who gives fame. And to whom?
Krishna.
One who
For
gives fame
Krishna.
to Krishna.
Krishna.
Okay. Remember in this Damodar pastime, when we have learned all throughout these weeks, there are many stories we have learned. But the stories are all based on the concept. Okay. So this concept is this, that is what we are going to revise as of now. So Yashoda is the one who is giving fame to Krishna. Okay. So do not forget this part also, because when you are preaching or when you're telling the story to somebody else, these are the key words, these are the important points which you can mention. Now, when we said that Yashoda, Mother Yashoda is giving fame to Krishna, what does fame say? What is fame? He is that how, what does this story tell us? That is what is the main essence of the story, right? Like anybody can come and bind Krishna. Can that happen?
No.
No.
So how is Krishna
No.
controlled? How is Krishna controlled?
By his
By
Devotees.
By his devotees.
Krishna is controlled by his devotees, by his love of his devotees. Nobody on this earth or in this whole universe can come and bind Krishna. But only if Krishna wishes, only if Krishna is is like just loves his devotees, he will allow his devotees to do what they are doing. Okay, where was the rope tied around Krishna?
Stomach.
on his belly.
On his belly.
Around his udara. Okay,
Stomach.
around his
Udara.
udara also. So we are just looking into this. If there's any, yeah, see, and then the second example was also that how Krishna is controlled by his devotees. The example is about his friends also, right? He used to like Krishna used to lose in the game and he used to carry his friends and go. So that is also one more example how Krishna loves his devotees. Now then, when Mother Yashoda woke up, and what did she went to do? She went to churn the butter,
Butter.
right? And then when Krishna got up, was he very, very happy? Oh, my mom is not here. So
No,
nice. Was he thinking like that?
No.
No. So what was Krishna doing? Krishna was very sad that he did not see Mother Yashoda. And on the other hand, Mother Yashoda was churning butter. So what was she doing? Was she thinking, oh, how many things I have to do? Now then, where do I have to go? What should I wear? Was she thinking about that thing? Or what was she meditating on?
wanted to make butter for Krishna.
Krishna.
Yes, when she was meditating, when she was making butter for Krishna, what was she meditating on?
Krishna.
On
Krishna.
Krishna.
Oh.
So what
Krishna.
exactly? On the pastimes of baby Krishna, right? Because there were so many demons who were trying to kill him, or whatever mischief Krishna was doing. All this Mother Yashoda was remembering. And was she getting sad or was she getting happy remembering that things?
Happy.
She
Happy.
was getting happy when she was remembering all those things. Yes, she was happy when she was remembering all those pastimes and all those things. And then in that happiness, what was she doing?
Crying?
Now,
Churning.
Turning.
what was
Churning
she
butter.
doing? She was singing. Remember? She was singing the pastime.
Making instrumental noises by her.
Yeah.
Like
So
her.
when, yeah, so she was
She
singing.
also did shake the bangles and shake the bangles on her foot.
Yes. So Mother Yashoda, when she was remembering Krishna, or remembering all the pastimes of Krishna, she was so engrossed in thinking about him that she started singing she started making verses and she started singing songs about Krishna. Okay. And when you're singing a song, you need a background music also, right? So what was it that was giving a background music for Mother Yashoda?
Her bangles.
Bangles, her
Bangles.
anklets,
Shake, shake,
her
shake, shake,
earrings.
shake.
Yes, all those were
Her jewelry.
music. Now, when it is explained, what was Mother Yashoda wearing when you
Sari.
Sari. Sari.
sari, and what was the color of the sari which is explained?
Red.
Red.
Red. Blue.
Yellow sari. Mother Yashoda. Okay, over here we do not see that, but then Mother Yashoda was wearing a yellow silk sari. Remember, she was wearing a yellow silk sari. Yeah, and she was having all her ornaments over her, and also there was something in her hair which was there. What was there in her hair?
Malati flowers.
Malati flowers
Malati
were there on,
flowers.
yes, Malati flowers were there on her hair. And then, okay, you know what? I'm going to have the second. Yeah. So, do you see the second session now? Session 6 you see now?
Yes.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay.
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah. So, Mother Yashoda was wearing a yellow sari and she was wearing all her ornaments and there were malati flowers in her hair. Okay. So, what happened with the malati flowers? Anybody remembers? They were dropping.
Fell down by 3 reasons.
Yeah. So, they were
Since she is already tired, we're making it tired, so let's get off. And
very good. Anybody else wants to say? So first thing is that they were getting tired and they were getting down. Anything else? What was the second reason? When she was churning butter, they thought that already. Yes.
I have one.
Yeah, go ahead. I can see.
So, a pastime from Krishna's pastime.
No, in this
when
only, yeah.
Krishna stole the butter from her when he threw the stone on the pot. So he made some footprints and then
Yeah,
she
that will come. That
and
will
then
come in
after
the
the
next part.
kitchen
Yes.
and then on the other part before she was going to tie the rope on Krishna, she was chasing Krishna. So when she was starting to run, all of her malati flowers came off of
Fell
her
down.
hair.
Yes. So the Malati flowers were all thinking about Mother Yashoda, that they thought that Mother Yashoda, she's already so busy, she's already so tired. Now we do not want to have more weight on her. And that thinking about that, the Malati flowers were all dropping down. Okay. So the music, see over here, the music was all given by the bangles and all the anklets. It was as if the mridanga and the kartal are all playing along with her singing. Okay. So we are going to quickly finish this part. It was the Deepavali day. Okay, when Krishna came to Mother Yashoda, what did he do? The very first thing, what did he do?
He sat in her lap.
Now,
He sat in her lap.
he did something else.
He sat on her lap.
Now, what was Mother Yashoda doing?
Turning the milk.
The
Turning
butter.
the
The
milk.
butter.
He stopped.
Yes,
took
he
the
stopped.
stick in the pot.
Stop, yeah. He hold the churning rod and he stopped the churning rod, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, he hold the
Yeah.
churning rod and he did not want her to churn more, right? And why did he not want her to churn more?
Because he wanted to take her breast
Because
milk.
he wanted milk.
Yeah,
Because
he
he
wanted
wanted
milk. See, Mother Yashoda, nice and green silk sari, right? And so he wanted Mother Yashoda to look at him and feed him and take care of him, not churn more butter. Okay. And see, so he went, and then when Mother Yashoda stopped the rod, he quickly went and he did not even wait for Mother Yashoda to pick him up. Okay. See how Mother Yashoda is explained as Shubhra. There are so many things which Mother Yashoda is explained as. Okay. So we do not have to learn everything. We just remember what we learned. So always, remember whatever we are revising, and the main essence, whatever is there, is going to be asked in the exam. I'm just looking at what we have missed out. And pay attention to the revisions, okay? The revision slides we will send in the group also, so that it becomes easy for you to just go through it. Okay, and one more important thing what we are doing is, see, whatever we have learned so far, we had all the PowerPoint presentations, right? So those PowerPoint presentations have been converted into a PDF, the same thing which I'm just scrolling down. So every day, 2 PDFs will be sent to you. Okay, everybody, eyes and ears on me. Every day, 2 PDFs will be sent to you, because those 2 PDFs we will be revising. Okay, 2 PDF in sense, 2 files will be sent in the group. So see to it that your parents are paying attention and they are showing you the PDF. You have it downloaded and you can go through it, so that you are ready for your exam, because it's a long time that we have done it, right? That is the reason. Okay, so Krishna was hungry, all we have done. Okay, so now to is the question answer time. Okay, last slide we will go through. We'll see if we have missed anything. Okay, so when Krishna woke up, he was very happy that he did not see Mother Yashoda. What was it? Was he happy or was he sad? He was sad. Okay,
He was
so he was
sad.
sad, and what was he? Was he hungry, or was he like giving burping up? What was he doing?
hungry.
He was hungry, right? He was very hungry and he wanted Mother Yashoda right beside him, right? So we saw how kids wake up and how they are cranky. And then, okay. Okay, so what we will do is, I think we are done with moreover of this. Okay, so what we will do is, we will go with now.
Look at the little competition.
Okay, so see, so the PDFs are made in such a
A
way that
little
you all,
competition.
Sri Lakshmi, can you mute yourself, please? Okay, Sri Lakshmi is muted.
It's Mukund. I'm from Shama.
No, Shama is there.
Aditi, I was unmute. There's no noise coming from my area.
No, not from you, Mukund. Not from you. Okay. So now we are going to go with the revision. See, this is PDF 1 to 5 and 6 to 9. Okay. So there are 2 PDFs which will be sent to you today. So today we are going to do the first revision. Okay. Everybody ready for it?
Yes,
Let's
Mataji.
see.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Anybody has any question? You can then. Okay. What I'll do is, I'll just lower all the hands right now. Okay. Okay. So now we have. Oh, Krishna. Okay. Okay, so this is true or false? Now we have to say whether it is true or false. Let's see how many of we are going to do. Krishna has 64 transcendental qualities.
Yes.
Yes,
Good.
True. True and false.
One second.
True.
Let me.
True, Mataji.
True.
True and false.
True.
He also has unlimited qualities.
Kind of both.
Okay. Okay, I think so.
Mataji, this is
Somebody
good.
else- You know what? If we are not on mute, it will be hard for us. Everybody can see what is written over here?
Yes,
Yes, Mataji.
Okay.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
I don't know why the
Yes,
font is
Mataji.
Yes,
Ah,
Mataji.
here. Let me see. Yeah. Okay. Ekada means every day.
False. False.
False. Is the true answer? What's the true answer? Okay, you know what? When we are doing, yes. So when we are doing something related to a false answer, we are also going to tell what the true answer is. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And after answering, can you please mute yourself so that we do not have much disturbance from the other side. Okay. Okay. The jewelry Mother Yashoda wore was giving nice music to the songs she was singing.
True.
True.
Okay.
True.
Okay. Udara means hands.
False. False.
False.
False. What does Udara mean? What does
Mataji.
In the god of air. In stomach.
Okay, Mokshit, can you answer or who wanted to answer?
Can Sanskriti?
Okay,
Shri
after
Lakshmi.
wait. Okay, Mokshit was there first. Mokshit, what does Udara mean?
I wanted to say for the other one.
Udar. Okay.
Mataji, this is Shubhadra. Can I say?
Okay, wait. Akshita first. Akshita,
Yes, Mataji.
what does Udar mean?
Udara means stomach.
Stomach. Okay. So Udara means hand. So is it false or true?
True.
Okay. Are we singing over here just like Mother Yashoda was singing? False. True. Okay. Okay, we're going to the next question now. Indra is the god of air. Okay, so
God of rain.
Indra is the god of rain.
Indra is the god of rain. Oh yes, if you forgot to say the right answer, right? Is the god of rain. 5 dasis were engaged in churning butter for Krishna. True or false?
False.
Who was engaged in churning butter for Krishna? Yashoda. Krishna stole butter. Okay, when we are done with the answer, we can please mute ourselves. Okay, so that we can listen to the question properly. Krishna stole butter from the gopis because he did not like the butter in his own house. Why was Krishna? So why was Krishna stealing butter?
Last time in Leela.
Yeah, this past years.
And
Very
also
good.
pleasure of his devotees.
Yes, wonderful, wonderful.
True.
Mother Yashoda was the giver of fame to Krishna. Krishna wanted Mother Yashoda to churn more butter as he wait a minute. More butter as he was hungry. Okay, I'm going to repeat the question again. Okay, I'm going to repeat the question again. Krishna wanted Mother Yashoda to churn more butter as he was hungry.
Oh, I think.
False. Okay. Right. So Mother Yashoda was churning butter, but Krishna was hungry to drink her own milk, right? He was not hungry for the butter which was being churned. He said, forget about whatever butter you're churning. I don't need that. I want you. So Krishna was hungry. So this question is halfly right. He was hungry, but he was not hungry for the butter which Mother Yashoda was churning. Okay. So what was he hungry for? Very good. Mother Yashoda was angry when Krishna stopped the churning rod. What is the true answer then?
She was very happy.
Okay. She was very happy. Now I want to ask Samskriti. Samskriti has been raising hand. Samskriti, why was Mother Yashoda happy when Krishna stopped the churning rod? What was she thinking?
She was thinking that Krishna is like hungry.
Krishna is so intelligent. What else? Yes, Parikshit?
I accidentally raised my hand, Mataji.
Okay, Ojasvi?
She was happy. She knew that Krishna was hungry and he wanted her milk.
Okay, so what was anybody else who wants to answer this? Okay, so Mother Yashoda.
Mataji, what question is it?
It is that Mother Yashoda was happy that Krishna stopped the churning rod. Okay, so what was it that was Mother Yashoda was happy about? What did she think when Krishna stopped the
Mataji, I think I know.
That he was strong.
That his son was
Yes,
very,
strong
like Krishna was very intelligent.
Yes, very good. So Mother Yashoda was happy that she was smiling. Okay, Mother Yashoda was happy and smiling that, oh, the Krishna is become so intelligent because see, she is churning the rod. So she could just come and hold her. But what he did, he went and stopped the churning rod. So she was happy that Krishna is so intelligent and he's so strong that he came and he could stop the churning rod. So she was smiling. She wasn't angry. Krishna was very happy when he woke up.
False.
True or
False.
false?
False, no.
Good.
That
So now we are going to go to the next part, which is the which is the fill in the blanks. Okay, you know what? I'm just going to increase the font a little bit so that it becomes easy for you to see. Give me 1 second. See if we can. Okay. Now there are see when in your exam, those who are attempting the Govinda exam for the first time, okay, remember the exam is not hard, so don't worry that, oh, it's an exam, so I might skip it. If we have been doing the revision, the PDFs will be sent, and whole week we are going to do the revision, which will be again more and more repeated. So don't worry about the exam. Do not get tense that, oh, it's an exam, so I might not attempt. Last time we saw that there were so many kids who gave the exam and you all did pretty well, right? You did wonderful in the exam. So again, the exam will be just like last time, that the Google sheet will be sent and you will have to attempt in that, and then it will be checked. So don't worry about the exam, okay? And when we have the fill in the blanks, we have all the options which are given over here, okay? You have to choose the options which is given in the bracket above. Ekada means
Wow, once upon a time.
once.
Ekada means once.
Yes,
One.
Ekada means once. Once. Very good. Krishna was born in
Kartik.
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 Okay, that I have not. No, 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 no. No, we have not given that, I think. Mathura. Okay. Damodar Leela takes place in dash month.
Kartik. Kartik.
Kartik month.
Kartik.
Very good. One who is tied around the stomach is.
It's not there.
Damodar. Okay, very good. Mother Yashoda remembered the dash of Krishna and dash on them. Pastimes of Krishna. Very good. And dash on them.
Meditated on
Very
them.
good. And meditated on them. Very good. Mother Yashoda wanted to make everything for Krishna by
Herself.
very good. By
Herself.
See, when we are done with it, you know what? You do not have to even look at the options, right? Yasha means
Same.
Fame.
that is the reason we went to put yes first. Very good.
Fame.
Da means
Giver.
Giver.
da means giver. Do we have it over here written?
Mataji, it's next to pastimes.
Oh, yes. Okay. So, next is what? Mother Yashoda is the dash of Prema. Krishna is the dash of Prema.
Shelter.
Mother Yashoda is the shelter of
Object.
and the object of Prema. Very good. Mother Yashoda was busy in dash.
Turning
Turning butter.
Turning butter.
Churning butter. Very good.
Butter.
Churning butter. Okay. Okay, I think we haven't written that. So Mother Yashoda was wearing a dash sari.
Yellow sari.
Sari.
Mother Yashoda is dressed in a yellow sari. Yes, yellow sari. Okay. Okay. So we are done with this.
How about every day?
No, that was, you know what? Some words will be given to confuse you. Some words will be given more words, right? More words will be given so that you get confused. But if you know the answer, you will not get confused. Okay? Okay. So now we will have some questions over here, okay? And now for these questions, I want you to raise hands because then I do not want a chaos in the class, everybody answering. So, and you know what, if you have, everybody can answer 1 point. If there are more than 1 points, we will always have it passed on to other kids also. Okay. So everybody is free to raise hands, please. I see some of the kids who are not at all raising hands. So please raise hands so that we can ask everyone. Okay. Okay. So first I see Ramachandra over here. So Ramachandra, what does Damabandha mean?
The one that is tied.
Okay, very good. So next is Parikshit. What do you understand by Damabandha? One point I can ask you, okay? Parikshit?
Yes, Mataji.
What does Damabandha mean?
Dambandha means I forgot.
Okay. No worries. We'll do with it, okay? Mukund?
Dambandh means tied to the stomach.
Right to the stomach. Okay. Next is Krishan. I'm looking for one answer. Krishan, you want to answer? Okay. Shri Lakshmi?
Stomach.
Okay. Stomach.
Like tied to the stomach.
Tied to the stomach. Shubhadra? Subhadra?
Tied stomach by rope.
Very good. Okay, this is what, like, see, when you are asked such a question, okay? Yes, Pranav.
Mataji, can I answer the second question?
Oh, okay, okay, okay. 1 second. So let me first finish with this question, okay?
Okay,
So this
Mataji.
time we have asked. Okay, Mokshit, you want to answer something about this question, Dam Banda?
No, I was looking
Okay, no worries, no worries.
for.
Okay. So now when such a thing is asked in the exam, okay, exam, forget about exam also. But when you have to answer such a question, see what you have to answer is Dama Banda. So Dama is what? You have to split that. It is the,
Stomach.
yeah, and Banda is the rope, right?
Rope.
So when you are, when it is, when the rope is tied to the stomach, it is Dama Banda. That is what you have to split it and then answer it, okay? Each meaning of the each word. Now, the second question is, what occasion was it when Damodar Leela took place? Okay, so Pranav wanted to answer it. Yes, Pranav.
Deepavali.
Okay, Deepavali. Very nice. Anybody else wants to answer? Tulasi?
Nandini can say.
Yeah, 1 second. Okay, yeah, Nandini, you're there. Two more.
Deepavali.
Deepavali. Tulasi?
Deepavali.
Deepavali. What else? I'm looking for one word. Akshita?
Um,
Can I
the Kartik month.
Okay, Kartik month. One more word
Mataji
I'm
can
looking for. Nandini?
I was gonna say Deepavali.
Mataji can Shubhadra say?
Okay, 1 second, Subhadra. Okay, let me see. Okay, Nandini is gone. Yes, Subhadra.
In Kartik month, it is Diwali day in Kartik month.
Diwali, Kartik, and and Diwali also falls on the Amavasya, right?
Yes,
So we can mention all the three things in it. Okay, so it was the occasion of Diwali, and it was the Diwali morning, the Amavasya, and the Kartik month. Okay, what does Mother Yashoda teach us? Okay, what does Mother Yashoda teach us? Isha and Vikram, I see. Isha and Vikram. Love, very good. Very nice, very nice. Very nice, Isha. Isha, is it your first time to attend the class?
Yes.
Okay, welcome, Isha and Vikram. So the just for your understanding, Isha and Vikram, we are just at the revision, and it's okay. You can still be, if you're there for all the revision throughout the week also, you will be able to attempt the exams. Okay, the exam is next week, and it's going to be pretty easy because it is Damodar Leela. You all know about it, and the material will also be sent in the group. Isha, are you there in the WhatsApp group?
No.
Okay, then how are you joining? How did you get the link to join?
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hi, Krishna
We
Mataji.
want to know about the classes from our devotee friends.
Okay. Okay. So Mataji, there's a WhatsApp group for this kids classes. So if you join those group, then you will get we'll be sending the material. We are just going on the revision with the Damodar Leela. And no need to worry, she can attend the exam. If she attends this all revision sessions also, she should be okay to attend the exam as well. And the exam is going to be a Google form. So it will be sent on the day of the exam and they have to just answer it and then send it again. So if you are
Mataji, I will
wanting,
send the link here in the
yes,
chat.
Mataji, please,
Join it.
please, yeah, in the chat, uh, Isha and Vikram. So Mataji, Vinita Gandharika Mataji will be sending a chat link, the WhatsApp link in the chat. So if you can click that, then you will join the WhatsApp group, and then you can get the further notifications from there, because we have classes from Monday till Sunday. Every day we have different classes, so you will get a proper view of that.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so we'll go with the next part. So welcome Isha and Vikram. Hope to see you more. And okay, so what is the next is, what does Mother Yashoda teach us? So somebody, Isha said love. Then next is Parikshit. What do you think, Parikshit?
Mataji, your voice cancelled up. Can you tell the question again?
What does Mother Yashoda teach us?
Mother Yashoda teaches us that
Did she have so many things, Krishna, that, oh, when Krishna grows up, he should give me that, so I'm loving him? Or did she have things that, oh, when Krishna is now the king of somewhere, then he should make me also some queen? Did she have all these sorts of things with her in her mind?
She teaches us we should have unmotivated love to the
Very
Lord.
good, Parikshit. Unmotivated love, right? Krishna, Mother Yashoda teaches us unmotivated love. Always think about Krishna. When she's turning the butter also, she's thinking about Krishna. So think about Krishna all the time. Very good, Parikshit. Next is Ojasvi. Why did Mother Yashoda want to make butter herself? Ojasvi? Haribol Ojasvi, we can't hear you.
She's unmuted, but we can't hear her.
Yeah. You are unmute, but we can't hear you. Yeah. A little louder.
Very low.
Sorry, beta, we can't hear you, Ojasvi.
She wanted to make it herself
Uh-huh.
because she loved Krishna.
Very good. She loved Krishna, so she wanted to make it herself. Anybody else? Who? Okay, Sri Lakshmi is already answered. So we'll give Pranav is already answered. So we have Rohini Madhuna.
This is actually done.
Please let
Okay, Dhanvin, can you answer this? Why did Mother Yashoda want to make the butter
have
herself?
any question. Please let me know if you have any question.
I don't know the answer.
Okay, no worries. Okay, we will have somebody else also answer. So, Badra, okay, many of you are repeated now. Let me see if somebody else is there who hasn't answered. Ishita? Ishita wants to answer?
Mataji, I actually know the answer.
Okay, go ahead, Dhanvin.
Krishna would steal the butter. That's why Mother Yasoda wanted to.
Yes, Mother Yashoda was thinking that Krishna is always going and stealing butter from somewhere else. So let me make the butter, right? Okay, so why did Krishna stop the churning rod? Shh. Why did Krishna stop the churning rod? I have Akshita. Again, you can raise hands now. Others can raise hands because everybody has got one turn. Isha and Vikram has raised hands. First Akshita and then Isha and Vikram. Yes, Isha. Akshita, sorry. Why did Krishna stop the churning rod? First Akshita is answering and then Isha and Vikram. Yes. Go ahead.
Krishna stopped the churning rod because when Krishna woke up, he didn't see Mother Yasoda, so he was actually hungry. So he went to Mother Yasoda because he wanted milk.
Okay. Who, Isha? Okay, there are some of them. Okay, you know what? Some of them have raised hands in your over here. Okay, I'm looking at the participant list. Sorry if I've missed anyone. Yes, Isha, and then afterwards is Krishna Naina. Isha.
Because Krishna he was sad because her mother, Krishna wanted Yashoda to get
Okay, very good. Krishna wanted her to pay attention. Yes, Krishna Naina.
and was hungry for milk.
Okay, one point. Okay, we'll ask 1 point to each person. Thank you, Isha. Yes, Krishna Naina.
Because he wasn't hungry for any butter. He was hungry for the milk from Yashoda.
Very good, Mother Yashoda. Krishan, you want to answer?
I want to watch this. Mother Yashoda, so then he stopped her because he was hungry for Mother Yashoda's milk too.
Very good. He was hungry for Mother Yashoda's milk. And then whom we have? Okay. Let me see, because half of you have raised your hands over here. Okay, Ramachandra.
Same question, Mataji.
Yes, same question, because I'm still looking for 1 point over there. He was hungry for Mother Yashoda's milk.
Mataji, I know.
Yes, why?
Because now he wanted milk.
Yes, he wanted Mother Yashoda's attention, right? He wanted Mother Yashoda to fully concentrate on him, right? Remember what we have said, what we have learned in this part is that Krishna, he says that all the rishis and the munis, they have been churning all the scriptures and they are trying to get all the knowledge from there and they want to know me. But Mother Yashoda, I am there right in front of you over here. You don't need to churn this butter anymore, right? I just want you and I do not want this butter. So he just wanted to stop whatever activities Mother Yashoda was doing. And he said, you don't need to churn any more butter. You don't need to find anything more for me because you are there. That is enough for me. What does Krishna want to convey to Mother Yashoda? Okay, we have done that part, right? About this. Everybody's understood. Okay, Pranav, you want to answer this question? What does Krishna want to convey to Mother Yashoda?
No, Mataji, for the second question, you were saying you were looking for a different word, right, Mataji?
Which question?
The second question.
Second means what occasion?
Yeah, you said you were
The
looking for a different word.
Amavasya, what was the Diwali day, the Amavasya day, and the Diwali morning. These were the words I was looking for. Okay?
I was going to say Diwali.
Okay. Okay. So what does Krishna want to convey to Mother Yashoda? We just answered that. Anybody wants to repeat it?
Mataji, can Akshita say?
Yes, Akshita.
Krishna wanted to convey to Mother Yashoda that he was hungry, that he want.
Okay, he was hungry. Okay,
She
Ramachandra
said she wanted milk. He wanted milk.
wanted milk. Okay, Ramachandra. Hmm?
He wanted Mother Yashoda. He wanted attention from Mother Yashoda.
Very good. He wanted attention from Mother Yashoda. He did not want the butter. He wanted milk from Mother Yashoda. And according to the scriptures, what it is, if you have to understand that, he wanted to tell Mother Yashoda, stop churning this butter. I do not need that. I needed you. And also he says that all these rishis, munis, everybody is trying to churn butter and churn the scriptures and they are trying to find me. But I am right over here in front of you. You do not need to go and find anything else more for me. Okay. Now, our favorite question. Why were the Malati flowers falling from Mother Yashoda's hair? Okay, we have
I
Krishna.
know. Because
Krishna.
they did not want.
Okay, go ahead, Sri Lakshmi.
They did not want to like put weight on Mother Yashoda
Very
because she
good.
was already doing a lot.
Very nice. Very nice. Krishan.
They thought that Mother Yashoda was doing so much work and they were adding more. They were
Very good.
adding more weight, so then they dropped from her so they could
Very
decrease
good.
the weight on Mother Yashoda.
Good job. Tulasi. Tulasi, you want to answer?
Yes.
Yes, Tulasi.
So they
Why were the Malati
they
flowers
saw
falling?
that Mother Yashoda was working so hard, so they didn't want her to have more weight on, so she could run faster and catch
Very good. Very
Krishna's fell off.
wonderful. Wonderful. So, okay. So for the first two, okay, I'm going to stop share over here now. Okay, so from the first slide to from the first class to the 9th class, we have revised till now. Okay, So from tomorrow, there will be more 9 classes which will be included. And again, remember, like we had so many big classes because we have so many stories which were put up into it, right? So, okay, let me have a gallery view. Okay. So then so many stories were put up. That is the reason the Damodar Leela was so nicely explained in so many classes. Everybody has understood the Damodar Leela when we have done in the classes?
Yes, Mataji.
Right?
Yes,
So many stories, right? There were so many stories also into it. So remember, like these revisions will be done. If anybody is new to the class, Isha and Vikram also, or if anybody else is new, Tulasi, you can still attempt the exam. Don't worry about it. You just pay, you can be on the call or you can listen to the recordings and then you can answer the exam. The exam is going to be next week. Okay. We will again send an announcement next week. I think it should be Tuesday or Wednesday. We'll just put up 2 days so that if somebody is not possible to give it on one day, they can attend on the other day. We'll put up what days are convenient and then you can give the exam. The exam will be not very big or not very hard. So don't worry about the exam. And after the exam is done, we are going to start a very, very interesting session. You will love that because again, there will be many stories into it and very important topic about Krishna. Okay. So anybody has any questions, any queries?
Can you give a hint about the
Mataji,
I've done in the very
on
first slide of today.
Wednesday, have chess class, so I don't come.
Lakshmi, I cannot hear you properly. I
I
think
don't come on Wednesday because I have chess
okay, then you
class.
can listen to the recording. We'll miss you on those days, Sri Lakshmi. So you can listen to the recordings, okay?
You can come on Tuesday for a test.
Sorry?
Mataji,
On Tuesday for the test.
Okay. Yeah. So there will be 2 days. Don't worry. There will be 2 days. So whoever cannot attend on one day, they can attend the second day. So let me see. I think many of you are available on Monday also. So let's see if we can have a Monday. We'll put it up in the group. Okay. So just pay attention to the announcements in the group so that those who are they're not possible one day, maybe some other classes are clashing, you can go on the other day for the exam. Okay. Yes, Isha.
Mataji,
Okay, one second. Suraj, Isha.
What's the
The link will be sent on the exam day. The link will be sent, which has the
exam about?
exam is about Damodar Leela. This was the chapter which we were doing. So the exam will be on the Damodar Leela. Okay. Mokshit, you have some question?
Do you have to study? Do you have to study for the exam?
You tell me. You can, okay, you know what, Mokshit, you can go over all the revision slides which we are sending and you can be present on all the calls from Monday to Thursday and then you'll be good for the exam. Yes, Suraj.
No preparation.
Mataji,
We have
like
2 minutes. Okay? Quickly.
after the like exam and like we're doing the next semester, what kind of crafts are we gonna do?
Okay. That will be according to the classes and according to the teachers. Okay. We'll have it decided on that time. So there'll be many crafts and many arts. So don't worry. It will be an interesting session.
Okay, and do anything.
Yes.
Today, are we doing a craft today?
Not today because today, this week we have revision, right? Revision and then your doubts. So we'll not have any craft today and tomorrow this week. And after the next week, when we start with our new session, then we'll again get back to our activities also. Okay.
Oh, next Mataji,
Are we doing Back to Godhead magazine?
Today we are not doing because we are to revision, right? We have the revision.
The new session.
So yeah, so new session when it starts, we'll again get back to our routine. Okay. So 1 week will be Sanskrit, 1 week will be back to Godhead. Okay. So I think we'll have to end the call because the Madhava group will be coming. Okay. Isha, please check the chat and join the WhatsApp group. In the chat, Mataji has sent a link. Did you check that? In the chat over here, if you see a chat over here, column chat, over there, the link is sent. Please click that link so that you can join the WhatsApp group. Ask your mom. She can join the WhatsApp group so that you get the further notifications. You did it?
Yeah.
Very good. Good job. Okay. Vancha kalpataru.
Vancha kalpatarubhyascha
Namo Namaha.
Jai
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.